Okay, so today we're going to go through the mapping function of the eQart. So in order to start mapping, you need to be on the blue line of your route. So we go to the main menu, we select map and routes, and we select create new route. So now we guess the question, is it a circular path or a simple path? And since we have a loop in our current routes, we need to select circular path. If you have ever only A to B path, then you can select simple path. So we will select circular path and we will press start. So the eQart has now started to perform the mapping feature, and we can see this by it going in very slow speed, 0.2 meters per second, and we can see that the LEDs are flashing light blue. Here we are approaching the first station. There's an RFID tag under the tape, at this red tape here. So this is a station. So the mapping feature will detect this RFID tag as a station called station 1, and it will continue to map from this point. So now we can actually follow the route the eQart is going in real time while making the map. See that the eQart keeps following the line and keeps mapping. So we see here that the eQart has taken its first turn, and if we go into the application or the tablet, we can follow this turn in real time in the tablets. So here we can see that the eQart is approaching a second RFID station. You can notice this by the red tape. So if we go into the application, the eQart, when going over the station, should register it in the map, and it should pop us up as another station. So let's see what happens. Yes, there we see another station. So the eQart has now done the full loop around. It came back to station 1, and it's now going backwards to explore other options to go. So we'll see where it goes next. Now we see that the eQart is given an option, either going through the loop or exploring the rest of the map. And we see here that he chooses to explore the rest of the map. So the eQart detects an end of the line. We'll now reverse and go back into the rest of the map, continuing his exploration. now see the eQart going back into the original loop again. So the eQart has come back to the original loop and it has completed the mapping. And we can see the mapping from the results here, that it looks just like the actual route. So what we do now is we press save routes, we give it a name. And we save it. We can now exit, and if we go to recorded maps, we will find test right here. We press it and we can display it, no problem.